Mit is a dative preposition. But what does this mean? Have you heard the dative preposition song? You should memorize it. Aus, außer, bei, mit, nach, seit, von, zu. 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 Aus, außer, bei, mit, nach, seit. Anyway, you get the idea. Oh, and gegenüber's in there too. But what does this mean that mit is a dative preposition? Well, it means that whatever comes after mit is automatically in the dative case. Dative case? Let's review. You remember that there are 3 genders in German plus the plural. The nominative case has the following articles: der, die, das, and the plural die. Now, what happens to these articles in the dative case? Der becomes dem. Die becomes der. Das becomes dem. Die becomes den. That's the dative case. Now let's see what mit can do. First, here are some words that are in the nominative case. Der Bus. Die S-Bahn. Das Auto. Now let's see what happens when we add mit. Mit dem Bus, mit der S-Bahn, and mit dem Auto. Wahnsinn. By the way, you don't have to always talk about vehicles when you use mit. You could also use mit when talking about your brother. Der Bruder. Mit dem Bruder. Heck, you could even use mit to talk about your aunt. Die Tante. Mit der Tante. Or about a group of kids. Die Kinder. Mit den Kindern. Notice that you add an in to a dative plural noun in German. Aufgabe. Füllen Sie die Lücken ein. Nummer 1. Wir fahren mit Zug. Okay, and you're going to have to figure out what the gender of the noun is in order to do this correctly. Nummer 2. Fährt mit U-Bahn. Nummer 3. Sie kommt heute Abend mit Fahrrad. Erledigt!